Assalamu alaikum, everyone. I welcome you all from the platform of DocFlix Academy. So, first of all, I would like to tell you a little about the DocFlix Academy. With immense pride and purpose, I welcome you, the DocFlix Academy, a platform which is built by doctors for all healthcare professionals. As a medical professional with over 8 years of diverse clinical experience, I understand the real time challenges faced by the students, young doctors, and practicing clinicians. DocFlix Academy was created with a vision to make medical learning more accessible, collaborative, and clinically relevant. Whether you are preparing for your exams, facing day-to-day clinical dilemmas, or simply eager to grow in your career, this academy is your academic home. Through live online lectures, personalized consultations, MCQ discussions, daily clinical case guidance, and exam prep sessions, we aim to create a dynamic ecosystem of learning, mentorship, and support. Let's build a future where learning never stops and clinical confidence is just one click away. So, following our social media platforms, you can follow our page by clicking on the links for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or WhatsApp channel. So, DocFlix Academy soon is going to launch WhatsApp groups. Uh, At the initial stages, following WhatsApp groups will be launched: internal medicine and general physicians WhatsApp group, family medicine WhatsApp group, neurology, neurosurgery WhatsApp group, radiology WhatsApp group, lab results interpretation WhatsApp group, which will also be for the general public, and online consultation WhatsApp group, which will also be for the general public. So, in these groups, you can share your queries regarding the respective specialties. We can discuss the common illnesses and their management approach. Radiology group can be used to share radiological images like X-ray, CT scans, MRI, where you can get the initial reporting done. And the big news is that you can join these groups for free for the first month, followed by minimal subscription fee, which will be charged per month. You can opt for monthly, quarterly, 6 months, and yearly subscription. But for now, you can join these groups for a trial basis of 1 month. You can contact on the following number to join the groups. So let's meet our team of DocFlix Academy. First of all, I'm Dr. Ahmed Junaid, founder of the DocFlix Academy. Uh, I have served as a postgraduate resident in internal medicine at Mayo Hospital, Lahore, and gained comprehensive training in multiple departments, including the neurology, cardiology, ICU, pulmonology, psychiatry, gastroenterology, dermatology, OPD, ER care, and also in ward patients. I have served as a postgraduate resident in charge for over 1 year and registrar for more than 9 months at Mayo Hospital, Lahore. Currently, I'm working as a senior medical officer and a clinical instructor in the emergency department at Evercare Hospital, Lahore, where I'm managing critically ill patients and supervising the junior staff as well. I have also worked as an in charge of Basic Health Unit Kirawala, Gujarat, where I led public health campaigns including EPI and polio vaccinations. I've also worked in pediatrics at Indus Hospital, Lahore, and emergency medicine at Farooq Hospital, Lahore. Dr. Seher Nees is our co-founder of DocFlix Academy. She has done MCPS family medicine and is a medical educator. She is a highly motivated and dedicated medical professional currently pursuing MCPS in family medicine with hands-on experience across diverse clinical settings, including Mayo Hospital and Evercare Hospital, Lahore. Over the years, she has developed strong clinical acumen in diagnosing and managing acute, chronic, and complex medical conditions while always prioritizing compassionate, patient centered care. Her journey spans from clinical practice to academic contribution, having served as a demonstrator at Azra Naheed Medical College and as a women medical officer at a basic health unit in Gujarat. With practical experience in both primary and tertiary healthcare setups, she aims to bring a balanced real world perspective to medical education. Dr. Mohammad Rais Anis, he's the head of neurology department of DocFlix Academy. He has done MS neurosurgery and is the ex-registrar of Department of Neurosurgery, Gujarat. He's also certified in neurology from Aga Khan University Hospital. He has a teaching experience of clinical teaching of MBBS students and house officers. He has also conducted training sessions on neuroanatomy, neurosurgical emergencies, and neurological examination. Dr. Varda Zulfikar has also joined us as a head of radiology department, DocFlix Academy. She's a highly accomplished consultant radiologist and ultrasound specialist with an impressive academic and clinical background. She has done MBBS from Ilham Iqbal Medical College, Lahore, FRCR Part 1, FCPS in Diagnostic Radiology, and she's also a member of the Royal College of Radiology. She has served as an ex-registrar at the Children's Hospital, Lahore. Dr. Varda brings deep expertise in diagnostic imaging